Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Thursday. I want to take you through this pre-owned unit. This is a 2020 Outback 341RD. Really awesome and unique travel trailer floor plan. So we're going to give you an outside tour first. So this is an auto leveling system, powered tongue jack. You just have to press a button and it does the work for you. Two very large propane tanks are just behind there, and you also have this casing to just help protect it from the weather, debris, things like that. Of course, your battery. And then you have your nice fiberglass front cap with really cool designs on it and also accent lights. Coming over to our camping side, you have one slide out. And you have this utility drawer, so all you have to do is just lift up this little handle and you're able to pull it out even with one hand. So if you have heavier items, this is a great spot for it. Slam latch door with the magnetic latch as well. Power awning with Bluetooth capable outside speakers. Satellite and cable hookup plus an outlet that is protected underneath your awning. So you can have a TV out here if you would like. And then here is your main entrance, oversized grab handle with the solid steps. Now these are really nice and sturdy for people who've had knee or hip replacement surgery. If you have people coming in and out of your camper all the time, pets, kids, they're just overall great. And then here is that single slide out. All the way at the back, you do have a rear ladder to climb up and keep up on that roof and slide out maintenance. So just before taking off back home from your vacation, you can climb up there, make sure there's no walnuts or leaves, sticks, things like that on your roof and in your slide out. So really can save you a lot from maintenance and everything. And then you are pre-wired or prepped for a rear observation camera if you would like one. And then you have two more slide outs here on your non-camping side. And then coming all the way to this slide out. See if I can open it. There we go. You have some extra storage, so you can pretty much put whatever you want in here. So that about covers the outside. Now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so coming all the way to the front of the camper, we have our master bedroom, and it does have that additional storage underneath it. Plus, the thing with Outbacks is you have built-in kennels underneath the beds too. So if you have a smaller pet, this is just a great spot to keep them if you're running errands, things like that. Or you can just keep it for that additional storage. King size mattress. You also have windows on either side for a nice view and kind of a wraparound shelf. So you can have your personal belongings placed there. Cabinets up above with mirror panels on them. And then all the way at the front, we have our wardrobe, mirror panel sliding door, and the clothes rack does extend all the way across, as well as the shelf. AC here in the bedroom to stay nice and cool. And then just next to that, you have some additional storage. Shelves, you can have your clothes placed here, shoes, jeans, pretty much anything that you want. Maybe your dog's toys, things like that. A huge dresser is at the foot of your bed with 4 jumbo-sized drawers. Lots of countertop space for maybe a TV, personal belongings, or if you'd rather hang a TV up, you can do that. And then you have a private entrance into the bathroom. So coming in here, we have our angled porcelain foot flush toilet. Here is the main entrance into the bathroom with a hook for your towel. Some extra storage for your linens. Same thing down below. And then across from your toilet is your nicely rounded out shower with a black matte finish for the faucet. I love these rounded doors too. I think they're really cool. Plenty of room to turn around in, and you also have that skylight up above. And then we got our sink, same finish on the faucet. Storage below, above in your medicine cabinet. And then you also have power if you need to plug something in. So now coming out the main entrance of the bathroom into the rest of the coach. So on the other wall of your bathroom starts our kitchen space, solid surface countertops, and they're gorgeous white. All of the storage is down below for your pots and pans and utensils. And you have a lot of countertop space on either side of your sink. Stainless steel open mount sink with this roll up cover. You can use it for drying your dishes, additional countertop space, whatever you'd like. And you also have a window too for some natural light coming in. Love the Mimic Subway style tile here for your backsplash. Couple cabinets up above with your microwave in between, and you also have a wine rack, which is pretty cool. And then kind of off in this slide out tucked away begins our stove space. So 3 burner top stove with this glass cover, same matching backsplash, so it's all very matchy. Range hood, cabinet storage, and then here is our oven. And then just next to that, you have kind of like a pantry space, spice rack. You can use it for whatever. Refrigerator. And more storage to the left of your fridge, so you can use this for the extra living room storage if you'd like. And then this is our dining room space. I think this is something that's pretty different. You have this nice half wall, so you can kind of separate the rooms, but it's still nice and open. USB port and outlet to charge your electronics while you are sitting here. To the left, you have this very comfortable booth dinette. And then you also have this bench that comes along here to the right. So you can have 4 people sit here very comfortably. But with that bench, you can move it outside if you need extra seating, move it into the living room, maybe as a footrest, things like that. But this also folds down into a sleeping space. And then coming in here, you have 2 opposing sofas that fold into sleeping spots for your kids or guests. And then on the other side of that half wall, you have your Thomas Paine Collection theater reclining seats in perfect view of your entertainment center. So fireplace down below that kicks off some heat, storage cabinets on either side, and love that your TV is hanging up because you really can use all of that countertop space for some decorations. And then you have your Bluetooth speaker system to access those inside and outside speakers. More cabinet storage up above. Love the color scheme in here too. I think it's very neutral and farmhouse feeling. So if you have any questions or concerns about this unit, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.